What is abortion? Abortion is termination of an unwanted or unplanned pregnancy. Some facts are abortion is legal in India up to 24 weeks of conception if done under the guidelines of MTP Act and by a licensed qualified medical practitioner. A pregnant woman 18 years or above does not require anyone's consent. If she is a minor, she needs a written permission from a guardian. Also, a married woman does not require permission from her husband or parents. It is about your body, your rules. Abortions are extremely safe if performed by a registered medical practitioner and in a licensed and approved hospital setup under the guidelines of MTP Act. Abortion can happen by two methods, medical and surgical. In case of 7 weeks or below, you need a proper prescription for the abortion pills. If the pregnancy is between 7 to 12 weeks, then minor DNC is performed. And if the pregnancy is between 12 to 24 weeks, then it's a proper lengthy surgical procedure. Your hospital may require someone to be with you at the hospital as a support and for no other reasons. Emergency contraceptive pills do not work as abortion pills. The laws in India are flexible with certain limitations, so exercise your rights wisely.